Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another how to make a monkey puppet the hard way. So we're going to start off with letting you know this is the monkey rocks. This is a one of those dancing figures. I think this is one that we have an actual video of one last time, so we can do that. We're going to take the tag off first. We're going to remove the uniform, which is velcroed on. It's a little dingy, so I thought we'd just remove that. And there we go. And then of course we're going to start removing the stuff on the bottom of the toy here using our little screwdriver set. So, what have you guys been up to lately? You guys having fun watching these videos? These are a lot of fun for me. I don't know how many more of these new toys I'll be able to find, but I'll tell you what, it's a lot of fun searching thrift stores, garage sales, flea markets, any place that sells used items. That's where I go, and I try and find as many different ones for you guys as possible because it's fun and I enjoy taking these apart. Now I think I am going to do this here. Of course, I forgot to bring my glasses with me, so this is going to be a little bit of a trick here. But there are 4 screws on the bottom of this, and it holds on one of those little plates, the frameworks, around the bottom of the toy. There we go. We've got 2 screws down, 2 to go. 2 to go. Okay. This one should be fun because it's got a pretty good size body, and I think we'll be able to make a decent puppet out of it. It has the mouth. So I'm actually very optimistic about this one. As a toy, it was just okay, but I'm thinking, my guess, as a puppet, it's going to be pretty cool. Okay, so here we go. I think there it is. Okay, one last one, and this one's in pretty snug, so I think we're going to, yep, there we go. Okay. All right, so once we get this off, I'm going to get that bottom off there, and hopefully we'll be able to get the mechanism out in one piece, as usual. Okay, I think the screw, there it is. Okay, the screw fell down a little bit. That's all right. Okay, got cut in the fur. Okay, here we go. Whoop! Wow, that was probably the easiest one. And again, if you look right here on the bottom, the mechanism is free now. So let's see if it will go over the mechanism. It looks like it might. The material looks a little stretchy, so maybe not. Hold on. We're going to try it. Which way are we going to try it? We're going to try it this way. Okay. We're going to pull a little bit on the material. And, oh, it's given a little bit, but it's still just over that corner there, and I think we might be able to do it. Can we do it? You can do it. Okay, hold on. There it is. Ta-da! We got it through. Okay, now this little guy is held on again by some, well, this might not even be glued on. Well, I think it is. Yeah, I see it's glued on or sewn on. It's kind of weird how this one's on here, but this is the inner fabric. Get that off there. Okay. Hopefully everyone can see this. There he is. Okay. Now we just have to remove the mechanism. Okay, so it's probably sewn on up here as usual. So let's see if we can, oh, it's working. Okay, there we go. Nice! This is a nice one. It's going to be a really easy video this time. Yep, I've got 2 strands on the top. Let's get those, hold on a second here. Get a little extra room. Okay, so the 2 strands on the top, you see them there? Gonna reach in and cut those. Okay. All right. And then we've got one on the bottom. Oh, this is going to be an easy one. This is going to be easy. One right there at the bottom. And the mechanism comes right out. And I guess I didn't need to take that little thing off there. The only other thing inside the monkey body is the button. And again, let's see if we can remove that with a, oh, look. Oh, look at that. This has a little knuckle or junction or whatever it is. So I think I'll be able to separate it. Oh, yeah. Look at that one. That's cool. That is a moving side to side and clamping jaw. The button's inside. I'm reaching in now, so I'm going to have to do the two middle fingers and the first two fingers and the middle finger, and I can talk like that. So he can, oh, boogity, boogity, boogie. Look at that. Okay, so here he is. He's an orangutan, and he's going to talk. Hello, I am happy to be here. Well, that's it, folks. This is an easy one. This one I might even actually be able to do look at this. I can do the mouth and I can do the arms. Look at that. This one is pretty cool. Look at that. Okay. Hey, we did another one. This is the DIY Magician. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. For those of you who have been with us before, thanks for coming back. Those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe, and we'll get you some updates as they come out and as fast as possible. So there it is. Thanks again. This is the DIY Magician. Until next time.